So in this question, we are given the value of sin raised to the power 4 theta plus cos raised to the power 4 theta equals 1 over a plus b, and then we have to find the value of sin raised to the power 12 theta over a raised to the power 5 plus cos raised to the power 12 theta over b raised to the power 5. Now the first thing that we will do here is to write sin raised to the power 4 theta as sin square whole square theta and cos raised to the power 4 theta as cos square whole square theta. Now in the next step, we can write cos square as what? We can write this as 1 minus sin square theta. Next, let u square, like I'm substituting not u square, sin square theta as say u. Now replacing sin square theta with u, we get this as, there is a square over this, that's why it's u square, and this as 1 minus u the whole square, that's why it's 1 minus u the whole square. Now taking LCM as ab, b multiplied by u square, and then a multiplied with 1 minus u square. So in the next step, we'll do cross multiplication where AB multiplied 1 with 1 is AB only, and A plus B multiplied with each of these terms. Now on opening this bracket, it is AB multiplied by B square, and similarly opening this bracket, it is A square multiplied by AB, while simultaneously we'll be applying the identity of A minus B whole square here, that is 1 square plus U square minus 2U. Now in the next step, we'll open these brackets by multiplication, that is u square multiplied by ab plus b square, and similarly these two will be multiplied. So that is ab multiplied by u square is ab square, b square multiplied by u square is b square u square, a square plus ab multiplied with 1 is this, and ab multiplied by u square is this. Similarly, ab multiplied by minus 2u will result to give you this. Now here AB and AB get cancelled, and clubbing these terms, that is AB u square, there is another AB u square, B square times u square, and A square times u square, we can write this as A square plus 2AB plus B square times u square. And similarly, by taking minus 2UA common from here, it results to give you minus 2U times A plus B. Now this is a square plus 2ab plus b square can be written as a plus b whole square. So there is a u square, that's why we can write this as whole square. Now considering this to be x and a to be y, can we say this is in the form of x square, this is x square, y square, and minus 2xy. So we can write this as x minus y whole square, that is a plus b times u minus a the whole square. Now on comparing with 0, we get the value of u as a over a plus b, and since what is u here, u we have taken as sin square theta. So now resubstituting u as sin square theta, we get the value of sin square as a over 1 upon a plus b. Now we can write, we have to get cos square theta, and we can write cos square theta as what? 1 minus sin square theta. So we have 1, and replacing this with sin square theta, this is 1 minus a upon a plus b, and taking LCM as a plus b and simplifying, we get cos square theta as b over a plus b. Now we have to get the value of sin raised to the power 12 theta over a raised to the power 5. Plus cos raised to the power 12 theta over b raised to the power 5. So what is sin raised to the power 12 theta? Can we say that it is sin square raised to the power 6? And that means we can write sin raised to the power 12 theta as a over a plus b raised to the power 6. And similarly, we can write like raising a power of 6 over here. We can say this is cos raised to the power 12 theta. So I can substitute the value. I can replace this first of all with sin raised to the power 12 theta can be written as what? A raised to the power 6 divided by a plus b whole raised to the power 6. But then we have to divide it by this also. So it is 1 over a raised to the power 5. And similarly for this, what we can write? This is b, right? So this is b raised to the power 6 over a plus b raised to the power 6, and that divided by 1 over a raised to the power 5. Now check here, we can cancel, these powers we can cancel. So 1a will be left in the numerator, and similarly from here we can see that 1b will be left in the numerator. Now for further, we can see we have the same LCM. So we have same denominator. I can write this as a plus b whole raised to the power 6, and this is a plus b. Well, we can simplify it further. We can write the applying the laws of exponent. We can write this as a plus b raised to the power 5. Right, this is 1 times and this is raised to the power 6 times. So we can say the value of this is a 1 over a plus b raised to the power 5.